Got a party up in here. Ooh, colorful home. Very colorful home. Here come the brushes. What? Look at all the noodles. They look like noodles. Again. Coming back through. Baby, coming back through. You see him in the rearview mirror? They're coming back through. Maybe? Question mark? Here they come. Mr. Noodles is back. Hi, Mr. Noodles. Ooh, he's a big brush. Goodness. Oh, purple light. What does purple mean? Rainfall? Is that what that means? Does that mean rainfall? Ooh, purple rain. Purple rain, purple rain. Is that a song? I think that's a song. Jet sprays. What's it gonna do now? Oh, it's getting some more foam off. It's a misting of some kind. Come back with another rinse. Lots of rinsing. What's it gonna do now? Another rinsing. Oh, here comes a dryer. Oh, I think it wants me to drive ahead now. That's the end.